Hey, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to share with you a very special strategy that I personally use for my client's project. And yes, absolutely, it has very amazing results. I'm gonna share with you. This video is basically about case study, or we can case study or plus a strategy. Okay, so this strategy, if you are into a real estate business and you are managing campaigns for yourself or your clients, you can use this strategy to scale your flow of leads, quality of leads, and improve the results. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen and understand what is actually this strategy does, and why actually I'm creating this strategy, and how further I'm going to use this strategy in future. Okay, so let's go and let's see on my computer screen. So as you can see guys on my computer, so as you can see on my computer screen, here is a Greenland 7-day LTD campaign. So basically I call the campaign is called a lifetime deal, or we can say that a lifetime campaign. So basically now what you have to do is you have to set up your campaign with budget of lifetime. So this particular campaign I tested for last 7 days. Okay, or we can say that from like it took me from 14 to 20. Okay, so 6 to 7 days I tested this particular campaign, and it has very amazing results. So now basically what strategy it is, that strategy is basically understanding uh, when or what time of the day you are getting flow of lead very high. Okay, so this is basically goal of strategy. When you understand, okay, from time frame from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm getting flow of leads very high. Okay, so that's how you have to work. Okay, so basically this campaign actually I set up each ad these I have created 4 ad sets, and later on I stopped at this particular ad set, because this particular ad set is I'm running whole day. So in having a lifetime budget CBO for 7 days, I tested for my personally. You can test for 15 days as well, but minimum I will recommend for 7 days. So what actually I do is that I keep every ad set open, completely open, no targeting, nothing. So if you are thinking to test a targeting, then make sure each ad set having same targeting, everything same. But I don't recommend having an open targeting like your location and gender. Okay, so that's point. So you need that, and having the same everything same in a 3 ad sets, and each ad set gonna run like, let me show you on my computer so you will understand in better way. So as you can see that this particular campaign runs from open 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. That means it has a 5 to 6 hours of time frame. Okay, and each has a video, image, lot of ads I have. Okay, so if you go down like, so if you go down here in a scheduling feature, you will get this feature called to schedule. So as you can see that in a having a lifetime budget, in an asset level you can schedule a campaign. Okay, in a schedule time I selected all day every day from 6 morning am to 12 11:59 am, means it's a 5 or 6 hour of time. So this particular ad set I created same thing for another, like from a we can say that from um, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, like from 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so this is how you created. So you can I only thing I didn't do is that here I don't choose a time frame of night. Basically I analyze that data already. I do have other campaigns, so I just export the data and I understand, okay, from night time, from night 12 a.m. to morning till 5 p.m. I'm not getting any kind of leads, I'm just wasting my money. So I understand that data, but just you have to uh, get the report. Okay, and you must know about Excel and all these things. So in this video I'm not going to show with you how to understand. But yes, you have to like taste in that way. So having a 5 hour of time frame of each ad set, same targeting, and you go test. Okay, so in this particular campaign, if I show you, objective was a lead generation, and the lifetime, if I select like lifetime or anything, 66 we leads generated, and we spent 6,000 rupees. Okay, which is I think really good for this particular kind of projects, because it has lot of money into it, like funnel, right? So if you see from 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so in this particular time I got 18 leads at 70 or 80 rupees. Okay, so now I understand. Okay, in evening time people are actually most active as compared to daytime. Okay, so now I understand this one part, because I'm getting very low cost per lead. And if you see here, 7 a.m. to morning 11 a.m, 11:59 a.m. Okay, so cost per lead is a very high in this particular time, because people not responding in this particular time. So I can stop this particular ad set, or nor I will run in this particular time frame. I will tell you what to do with this particular data, so don't worry about this. Okay, so now let's if you go here ahead, you will see that this is particular from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this time I'm getting 90 rupees a lead. So now I understand, from 12 p.m. to 11:49 p.m. till night, I'm getting a very good response from my leads. So basically what I understand, from night time, or we can say the morning start, when the morning actually start, people not actually responding, even they see the ad. So now you can see, I have we can say that this so much of money I can save if I don't save, if I don't show ad in this particular time frame. So this is a benefit of understanding when to run ads, what time frame to run ads. So I could save this money, 1500 rupees, and I invest on other time frame, and I could get a lot of leads, right? So this is how you have to work. Okay, you understand this. Another when like I will if you see that another campaign, I didn't run for like 7 days, but this is a large ad set which I stopped it, because this particular ad set is run all the day, complete day. So I don't think so there is any kind of sense to run all the day, just because we need to understand the perfect time frame. So now this benefit we have to saving a cost, and implement using the money in a right manner, in a right time frame. So now what I'm going to do with this data, so now I'm going to create a new campaign, my main campaign level, main campaign. So if you haven't watched my funnel ad funnel video, you must check that funnel ad video, so how actually funnels work. So in as per that, I personally implement every time funnels, I don't go random campaigns. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to allocate a special budget for this particular campaign, which has a lifetime budget. So for a complete month I will set a 30,000, 50,000, or 1 lakh rupees of complete lifetime budget, and I will run only ads on in this time frame. Okay, and other time I will stop my ads. So use this data to my save my cost and time. So this is how it works. So hopefully you like this video, hopefully you like this very good case study video, and you also going to implement this strategy into your business. Okay, so let me know when you are going to implement this strategy into your business, and how results you are going to get. So comment below on which next topics you would you like to learn from me, and see you in another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.